Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to integrate the report viewer control with a TypeScript React application to display a sales order detail report. You need to set two items to render RDL reports in the TypeScript React report viewer. First, the reporting service. This API is used to interact with server-side report processing. Second, the report path. This API is used to set the path of the report that will be rendered. We'll start by setting up a new TypeScript React app in Visual Studio Code. Then, we add the report viewer control to it. For prerequisites, make sure that your development environment has Node.js version 8 or newer, and NPM version 3 or newer. Let me start by creating a React application. The Create React app is a simple way to create a single-page application that provides a build setup with no configuration. I run this command to install the Create React app globally in the command prompt. To create a new application, I run this command. Here, template TypeScript specifies that the application will be set up with TypeScript as a programming language. The Create React app command adds the React, React DOM, React scripts, and other dependencies required for the React application. Next, I change the current directory to the application root folder. Then, I install the type definition of the Create React app and bold reports React library in the application. I install the jQuery package in the application. This command installs TypeScript declaration files for jQuery, enabling us to use jQuery in a TypeScript project. Then, I open the root folder in Visual Studio Code. I add the script reference. Bold reports needs a window.jQuery object to render React components. I create a new file and name it globals.ts in the src folder. I copy the code from documentation and add it to the globals.ts file. I open the index.tsx file and reference the globals.ts file. Next, I want to add the scripts file reference to the application. I open the index.html file from the public folder. I copy the scripts from the documentation and add them in the head tag. Next, to add the report viewer control, I open the app.tsx file. I add the code to import the React library and a CSS file named app.css. The command ESLint disable instructs the ESLint to skip checking for code issues in this file. I copy the necessary scripts from the documentation and add them to the app.tsx file. I declare the variable for the bold report viewer component and the viewer style. The viewer style variable is used to store the height and width of the report viewer. Next, I add the app function, which will return the report viewer component. Inside the app function, I add the div element, which acts as a container for the report viewer. The ID acts as a unique name for the report viewer container. Now, I configure the report viewer in the app.tsx. You can see how to create the standalone web API service in either the ASP.NET Core or ASP.NET Platform in a video I have linked in the description. Okay, let me add the report service URL and report path. Now, everything is ready to render the report. Let me run the application. I open the command prompt and run this command. As you can see, the sales order detail report is loaded in the bold report viewer. In this video, I have shown you how to add a report viewer component to a TypeScript React application to render a sales order detail report. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.